Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And there's a couple of changes that have happened today. If you've been following any of our previous 303 videos or whatever we're on, we're at Ann's house, Ann Nessie's house today, because our kitchen is getting a little facelift. And
wait until we get back there. It's amazing.
it's the same. It's the same, but it's just a little tidier. Anyway, today we're at Ann's house, Ann Nessie's house, and Ann is driving with one of her.
Well, I'm doing a salad dressing today called In the Pink.
This is on page 100 if you're following along. And Ann, you take it away?
Right. So the thing about this dressing is I am using the bright red beets. And I also have yellow beets.
In the pink.
And that's what, well, the Chioggia beets really make it in the pink because they're just in between. They're not so bright or red. But anyway, it is in the pink. And you start out, and by the way, this is such a sneaky way to get that endothelium enhancing beets into you easily. So I'm starting with about a medium-sized red beet, and I've put it into slices.
And
it's about a cup.
You say about 1 cup if it's sliced.
It's about a cup. So yeah. Here is about a cup. And I'm going to put it in this little.
Oh, it's tiny.
Tiny. And then I am going to put 2 large cloves of garlic in. And then I am going to put the zest of a lemon in. And Jane, would you like to zest that lemon? And while she's zesting the lemon, I am going to put in 1 tablespoon of a balsamic vinegar. And this happens to be a lemon white from the Olive Tap. And this lemon white balsamic is one of my favorite balsamic vinegars.
Your zester is so much better than mine. This is I'm like off to the races already in this one. I don't know if mine's been worn down, if I've been like zesting wood with mine.
So into this goes 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar and 4 tablespoons of an orange juice, and often I use it, but just because for saving time here, I would take half an orange, and peel it, and then use just sections with half an orange. So I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of orange juice, 3, 4, and then Jane is going to cut that. I didn't get a knife.
And off her stool.
I am stooled here because am I taller than Jane? Even on a stool, I'm not taller. Would you cut that in half? And then I'm going to put in about 3, how many? 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon. 1, 2.
That's kind of all over the place. 2. I think we're going to have to go with this one. And that's probably 3. It went everywhere. All
right. So
everywhere.
Somewhere there's a lid to this. Do you know where it went? Jane?
All right, we're going to take a minute and go search for the lid.
Well, we couldn't find the lid.
So we found a new little
so everything is in here. In here are beets, garlic, lemon zest, lemon, balsamic vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of orange juice. And we are getting in the pink. Can you believe?
That's splattering everywhere.
Yeah, Jane?
Yeah? Wow. Can you do a little more? Let's do a little more.
Well,
I see chunks. Here. Oh, really? That's not dressing yet. Chunky. Okay.
And if it still is a little thick,
It's spraying purple all over.
I'm going to put just a tad more orange juice in here. And then it'll get a little more.
Wait, can you look at the texture so you can see what we're trying to work with here? Can you walk up on it and see? See, it's a little like,
Thick?
it's a little thick. It's not yet juicy dressing-like. Will you put it in here? Oh,
And then-
Junkie. This is so. Wear red when you make this because this is getting little.
No, wear a raincoat.
Wow. This smells awesome. It smells so bright.
Look, we're everywhere. Beet.
Oh no!
Gee.
Wait! Don't do it. I want to make a little heart.
Beet heart.
There you go.
This will make your heart's beat stronger and better
And tell them why. Like
because it enhances your endothelium. It gets you more nitric oxide.
yeah, beets are. My dad talks about his favorite greens for people to eat to help with their endothelial cells, the ones that line your blood vessels for them to be healthiest. He talks about how beets and beet greens are often sort of overlooked as being healthy greens, and beets especially because they're red, they're not green.
So here we go. And if you find that you want it thicker, just add more orange juice, more vinegar.
Thinner want orange juice.
I mean, if you want it thinner.
If you want it thicker, add more beets. How is it?
Oh! Amazing.
I got between our last photo shoot and this one, I got braces and Invisalign. So if I eat this, I'll have red teeth for the rest of the week. So I have to take this off before I do anything.
I would just like to have spoonfuls of this.
Is it like a soup? Is it like a borscht?
No, it's like a in the pink salad dressing.
All right.
All right.
Page 100.
Thank you.
Off we go.
Bye.
Bye.